Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove followers on X. So first step, you need to search for the X, open X, click on your profile picture on the top left, go on to your profile. So I want to remove some followers, so click on that. So I want to remove this one, so you simply need to select that and you need to click on three dots on the top right, and from here you need to block. Once you block that person will be removed from your list of following. But there is also another option, that is add or remove from list. You can also use that, or you can use block. Basically I am using this new option, that is add and remove from list. Once you click on that, that person will be removed from your following list. Some people use block, and after that the process is same, that this person will also remove from my following list, and after that you can unblock that person. So it is up to you which one you want to use. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.